She's already so much better. Yeah.
Yeah, she really is. You look so good on her in that hairstyle. It's just goes to show that the right more she gets the more relaxed.
So, when do you get your scorecard? At the end of the show?
Probably pretty soon, maybe in like 15 minutes. I think my class is done, so.
That horse at Winter Wind.MPG really moves nicely.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what level she's doing, but so in schooling shows they allowed someone to read the right?
Yeah.
It's just in schooling shows, I guess, right?
I think so.
All of the horses look pretty to me, but everybody seems to make particular comments about her beauty here.
Well, she's got pretty good, I'm not saying it's because she's not, she does have pretty good conformation. There are some things that aren't so great about her, like her hocks aren't really that big. We pointed that out when she was expected. She's got a really nice neckline, and she's pretty proportionate. So, I mean, she kind of catches your eye. She just needs to get, now she needs to understand that she can't just be pretty. She has to actually,
You got to do something with that beauty,
yeah.
huh? Well, it looks like she's on the path.